Greetings to all the farmers and friends involved in farming business all over the globe. Our mission is to grow enough food using zero chemicals and encourage rural youth for 100% employment on their own land. My name is Tejaram Chaudhary and we are discussing all the agriculture methods adopted by farmers all over the world. Our ultimate aim is to arrive at the best agriculture method wherein our agriculture will be simple, cheapest and natural and will benefit the entire humanity, entire living being and the entire atmosphere on Mother Earth. To know more about all the agriculture methods, we are discussing briefly about each one, and today we are taking up the next method, that is zero budget natural farming. Zero budget natural farming, which is called as ZBNF or SPK farming. It is developed by Padam Shri Dr. Subhas Palekar and it is called as Dr. Subhas Palekar Krishi also. Do you think that farming can be done without chemicals, fertilizers, without pesticides and without taking loans? Yes, it is possible. This system is called zero budget natural farming, also known as SPK or Dr. Subhas Palekar Krishi. The definition of Subhas Palekar Krishi or the zero budget natural farming is, it is a holistic chemical free farming method. The term zero budget means farmers should not depend on loans or expensive external inputs. And natural farming means working with nature, not against the nature. This movement was popularized by Indian agriculturist Dr. Subhas Palekar, who promoted farming rooted in traditional knowledge, ecological balance, and minimal cost. The core principle of this method is no chemical inputs at all. Zero budget natural farming completely avoids synthetic fertilizer, pesticides and herbicides. Instead, it trusts natural soil biology, plants growth process and symbiotic relationship between crops and microorganisms. Nature becomes the main partner in farming. Core principle number 2 is natural preparations. In zero budget natural farming promotes homemade natural inputs such as Jivamrita, a microbial culture made from cow dung, cow urine, jaggery, pulse flour and soil. Ghanjivamrita, second number is Ghanjivamrita, the solid form for long lasting soil fertility, and for seeds Bijamrita, a natural seed treatment for production against diseases. Achadan, mulching with crop residues to conserve moisture and enrich soil. These inputs are low cost and eco-friendly. Core principle number 3 is intercropping and biodiversity. In zero budget natural farming, we encourage intercropping, polyculture and agroforestry. Growing diverse crop improves soil health, reduces pest attacks and maintain ecological balance. Biodiversity is the foundation of stability. Core principle number 4, self-sustaining ecosystem, that is in zero budget natural farming builds a wholesome ecosystem. It supports natural nutrients cycling, soil microbes, insects, animals and plants all working together. The farm becomes self-sufficient. Core principle number 5, cost-free cultivation. The true essence of zero budget farming is very simple. Use local resources, especially dung from native Indian cows, and avoid expensive chemical inputs. No heavy debts, no costly fertilizer, just natural farming. Core principle number 6, soil and water conservation. Practices like mulching and minimal tillage improve soil structure and water retention. This reduces irrigation needs and prevents soil erosion. Healthy soil means sustainable productivity. The benefit of zero budget natural farming are powerful. Very low cultivation cost, improved soil fertility, better climate resilience, environmental protection, greater farming self reliance, zero budget strengthen both farmers and nature. Challenges of zero budget natural farming. However, there are challenges too in zero budget natural farming. The transition from chemical farming may involve a learning phase. Initial yield may temporarily decrease. Large scale adoption requires training, awareness, and farmer to farmer knowledge sharing. Therefore, zero budget natural farming is not just a technique, it is a movement towards self reliant farmers, healthy soil, chemical free food, and ecological harmony. This future of agriculture may not depend on chemicals but on understanding nature. So, if you believe in sustainable chemical free farming, let us build self reliant farmers and a healthier planet together. To know more about other methods, keep tuned with us. Finally, we will arrive at the best agriculture method and encourage all the farmers to adopt the same for doing purely natural farming like zero budget natural farming. To know more about, like, subscribe and share our channel.